In a small American town, there lived a boy named Max. Max loved peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. He believed his mom made the best sandwiches in the world, so he never offered a bite to anyone, not even his best friend Mia. One sunny afternoon, as Max was unwrapping his sandwich, he noticed a tiny sparkle coming from the peanut butter. Suddenly, the sandwich spoke. "Max, I'm a magic sandwich. I grow tastier every time you share me, but if you don't share, I'll lose my flavor." The next day, Max took a deep breath and turned to Mia. "Hey Mia, want to share my sandwich today?" Mia's face lit up. "Really? I'd love to." To Max's surprise, it tasted better than ever. Richer, sweeter, and more delicious. Word spread about Max's magical sandwiches, and soon he was sharing bites with other kids, receiving cookies, chips, and fruit in return. Max realized that sharing wasn't just about giving something away, it was about making others happy and creating connections. From then on, Max always shared his sandwiches. He had learned that the true magic wasn't in the sandwich, it was in sharing it. Moral of the story: sharing brings people together, creates joy, and makes life sweeter for everyone.